Okay, hello again. It's been a long time. So this topic is how to link specifications to Revit schedule. So this is just a trial run, but I don't know what other process this can be applied. But I have in mind that we can have this in many other applications. So let's start with the duct schedule. So I want the duct schedule. I want to link the URL uh, specifications for example some projects. So I'm opening this sample ductwork. So for this one, this is Microsoft Word. Okay, we have the content, um, generals, cross-reference standard. Okay, pre-completion test for this one. So the goal is how can we go to Revit and then just by opening here or by sending it to the contractor, they can easily select the rectangular duct for the exhaust air duct. What is the specifications in the site's installations? So let's focus first on the per element or per system before we go to the broader um, topic in specifications because it's complicated. But for now, it's focused for this one. So for example, we have exhaust air duct, fresh air duct, return duct, supply air duct, stir pressurization, I guess so. SPD, stir precision ducts. And this one is, I think this one is LLLPD. I forgot that the system for this one and the supplier air duct. Okay, so before you can link this URL here, I'll show you here. So PB filter and check. Anyway, I will check my screen time. I have only 15 minutes. I don't know what's the time now. Anyway, let's do it quick. So, for example, this one, on all other elements, so this one, if I select this one, specs road galley, there should have a URL to what type of specification, and you just select here, automatically it will go direct to that PDF file directly, which is open directly, not in just a folder, okay? What I mean by open directly is this. So, okay, I go to SharePoint, beam specification, and select ductwork. So, this is what I mean. It will open directly when they select that URL. So, instead of copying one by one, copy and then copy paste here into the docs and then select the URL. So it's time consuming, right? One by one. Imagine how many docs type you have and our other elements. So let's go ahead and straight then. First, you need to create and schedule, doc schedule. So I already have all the doc schedule here. So if I uncheck the sorting here, run totals. So this is a long list. What happened? Sorting. Okay. So this is a long list of exhaust duct, kitchen, exhaust duct, toilet exhaust duct. Anyway, so I just do that. Sorting, grand total. Okay, so going back to the process, so before you can link here, you need to have specifications. For example, this one, ductwork specification, uh, document control record, this one. For all the ducts content, you have the general, cross-reference, related section, design, quality, ductwork, air handling unit. Okay, you get my point. So for this one, you have to export this one into CAD. So export, you select this one, create PDF. Now, okay, maybe we place there, sample and the blag testing. Okay, ductwork. Before you save anything, you select option, and you have all option here. Okay, all pages. Okay, create bookmarks using headings. Okay, this is important so that when you open the PDF, you have already a bookmark heading, and then press OK, and then publish. Now you go there. I think it's open now. I'll close this one. So I will double click that one. Where is it? Date this one. Now, okay. So as you can see, you have now the ductwork. This one. So you need to also sort also. So the important thing here is that you need to really put every page. So for example, this page 1, 2, 3, you don't need this one. These 3 pages only, or and then up to here, up to 5. So you only need this one. It's important you have a specific table content numbering here, because some of the pages has no numbering. It will not read that's it will not put a number sequence here. So you have to set up also your specification correctly with, for example, this material with numbering correct sequence. Anyway, so you have that. Let's close this one. I already adjust this one. So you need to change also this in this order. No more a long sub folder. Only up to 2 sub folder, not really folder, but sub numbering. For example, this what I'm talking this one. So you minimize that more lengthy drop down. So if you had this one, you already set. So it's going to when you have already set this one, what did they do? Okay. So you go back here in the thumbnails. Okay. Previously, these thumbnails is just typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I select here, bookmarks, plan region, bookmarks, or I can rename again this one. Document, number pages, style none, page start with 1. Okay, prefix no, no. Okay, just typical 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will see now it will change. So this is the original number before. Now, if you want to put it back again into bookmarks, so bookmarks and then all pages. If you select again, okay, it will rename to that one, this number. So if I check this one, hoods and canopies, there should be hood and canopies here. So this is the one, 2. So for 3, you have sound attenuators, 2.5. It's important that has a numbering here because we're going to split this drawing. Next process is split documents. Okay, all pages, prefix, specs, yeah, sure. You select here top bookmarks level and bookmarks naming. Okay, then press OK. Uh, okay, let's change other location. Split document. So I'll just place it in maybe in my here new folder. Spec samples. New folder. Spec sample. And then I will select this one. Select folder. And then again, top bookmarks, press OK. So I've opened that folder, spec sample. You have already all the sequence here. Now it's not yet finished. So you have to open it online and extract all the information and also the link URL. So to do that, you go to the online Good. So anyway, this I place it in our or my company in our my or our company Oricon, and the good thing is they have export to Excel. This option here when you open in SharePoint, maybe so you better get the SharePoint option, okay? And then export to Excel. This drawing, uh, this command. Then you save as query um, specs sample extraction specs Excel. I don't know if I have still time. Okay, I think I have time. Then save. Open folder. Okay, or double click this one. Enable. So you have now all the uh, link here, but you cannot extract it first. You have to do some command. So to do that, you need let's call this. You need command in what you call this? Alt F5. You need to go there. This one Alt F11. I don't know if yeah, this one. The I don't know what's the name of this one. Visual Basic Applications. Okay, but before that, um, let's save this one. Shit. I sorry. Save as macro enabled. Specs cell save. How many minutes is my time? Mm, I cannot see that one. Okay, we're saved. Now, if I type here, then get, so there's no option to get the hyperlink. So what you will need to do is type um, Alt F11, 11, and then okay, and then file, insert, module. Okay, select this one. Then you copy this one. I think they have this in online, how to automate the URL batch copy, and then paste. After that, I think anyway, once you face, so you see, I don't know, you see, yeah, then close. So when I check here again, the command get, you have now the get URL here. So you select this one, ductwork. I think it's still loading. So because we have now it's loading in the internet, so let's wait. But I have the another examples already uh, finished. I mean done. It will take time to sync so that the URL it will be placed here. So for example, this one, things already. If I type, still, where's place? Okay, you just wait the SharePoint to sync, and then you type now get URL, and then you select the PDF, the enter. So you sit there, you have it. So just click here. So this is all the URL. So next topic is how we will link it into Revit. So I think I have 15 minutes now. I'll do it again, another sequence.